You don't fail because you are lazy. You fail because you negotiate with your future every morning. You promise yourself discipline, then wait to feel ready. That feeling never comes, so neither do you. Around 2000 years ago, a man faced the same resistance. He was not a student, not an influencer, but an emperor. Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius ruled the most powerful empire on earth. Yet his hardest battles were fought in silence, inside his own mind. He wrote something in his private journal. He wrote, "At dawn, when you struggle to get out of bed, and yourself, I am rising to do the work of a human being. No excitement, no emotion, only duty. But your system breaks here. Your life runs on mood." Marcus ran his life on principles. Principles does not ask how you feel. Now listen. There was a student, let's call him Arav. He started strong, new routines, gym, study, long plans. For 2 weeks, he felt powerful. Then, he collapsed. He missed a day, then another, then he quit. Not because he was weak, but because his system depended on motivation. He sat with that failure, and for the first time, he stopped asking, "How do I restart my life?" He asked, "How do I stop collapsing?" That's when he found Marcus. He learned a simple truth. Consistency is not built on intensity. It is built on non-negotiables. Arav changed one rule. No 0 days, even on bad days, even when he was sick. 5 minutes of study, 1 page of reading, 1 set of exercise. No excitement, no perfection, just repetition. 6 months passed. Nothing dramatic happened, but he didn't quit, and that changed everything. Marcus would have respected that, not because it looked strong, but because it lasted. Here is your wake-up call. You don't need another routine. You don't need another motivation spike. You need fewer promises and stronger rules. Stop negotiating with your future. Choose a duty. Repeat it quietly. That is the way.